more, because sleep-related acupuncture points calm the mind and body. They can assist you in falling asleep faster and sleeping better. A typical acupuncture session lasts around 15 minutes, but it can last anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes. There is no benefit after 30 minutes, and the session should be discontinued. Acupuncture is performed by piercing the skin with thin, stiff, metallic needles, which are subsequently activated by mild and specialized hand gestures or electrical stimulation. Acupuncture is a traditional Chinese medicine treatment that dates back thousands of years. According to traditional Chinese medicine, the human body has around 2,000 acupuncture points that are connected by channels or meridians. These channels allow energy, qi, pronounced qi, to move throughout the body, which is important for overall health. The illness might be caused by a disruption in the flow of energy. It is thought that applying acupuncture to certain places promotes health by increasing the flow of qi. Acupuncture in the real world. Acupuncture works, even when the needles are implanted in a rubber hand, according to one of the most acupuncture damaging tests ever conducted. Is it qi, chai, kai, or ji? Ji and kai are not synonymous with chai and qi. Ji, kai is a philosophical concept, profound thought that is difficult to express and explain, however the words, pole, or, ultimate, suffice. Qi, chai is a Chinese name for breath or life energy, analogous to vis vitalis, life force, in the West, or pneuma in Greek, breath, spirit, soul. And this is the essence of acupuncture. Promotes the procedure indicated in the physicians who are undergoing complete treatment may result in an acupuncture anxiety disorder protocol. The inspection is centered on. To seal in the results of the treatments, use heat or advised washing. They might include adverse effects including the influence on a low or massage. Anyone who uses cookies to isolate these stones can expect to take full use of the needle's puncturing capabilities. More research on acupuncture for stress should be undertaken on experts who would disseminate the findings. Flowchart of anxiety mixed with application times. Individuals who went through the acupuncture protocol for anxiety problem. Simplicity. This study procedure was classed as young men and email who merely condition. Syncope is produced mostly by a decrease in blood flow to the brain, and symptoms include lightheadedness, perspiration, a pale complexion, and blurred vision. If they laugh or sneeze, some people may pass out. This has been observed in patients who have not had enough calories before to their acupuncture treatment. Syncope is thus a prevalent sign that physicians should be aware of. However, it is not a life-threatening condition, so you need not be concerned. If you have any of these symptoms during your appointment with us, you must reschedule. What may have caused this to occur? Acupuncture works by shifting the qi in your body when you are overworked and there isn't enough of it for therapy. Acupuncture for anxiety is one area of treatment where I have seen some of the most dramatic changes in patients over the years. The moving experiences of patients about how acupuncture has given them back their lives speak for itself, demonstrating how acupuncture may have immediate, effective, and long-lasting benefits in treating anxiety disorders and related symptoms. While acupuncture is usually used to treat physical problems, it may also be utilized to address mental health issues. What is the acupuncture theory? Acupressure, like acupuncture, is a holistic treatment that has its origins in ancient Chinese medicine, TCM. Acupressure and acupuncture both operate on the premise that certain ailments can be alleviated by stimulating certain areas of the body. We can have a significant influence on our health by walking along invisible lines known as meridians that run through our bodies. TCM practitioners, on the other hand, believe that stagnation or obstructions in our body's meridians may cause pain, sorrow, and even disease. Acupuncture is based on the idea that certain levels of energy flow throughout the body and are required for optimal health. The point is known as qi, or kai. Unfortunately, energy flow is disrupted for a variety of reasons, resulting in sickness. Acupuncture corrects this unequal flow by inserting needles into specific locations close to the skin. They keep an eye on the flow of energy and try to keep it as smooth as possible. What is acupuncture's method of action? What precisely does it do? Acupuncturists in the West have done medicine a harm by simply describing moving qi and portraying qi as energy going via unseen meridians. Being a skeptic is second nature to me. My intellect is inquisitive, and I am not readily persuaded by simple esoteric explanations or reductionist Western scientific rationalizations. For thousands of years, millions of individuals have used acupuncture to treat a wide range of health problems. Acupuncture alters the flow of qi, the energy force that pervades the human body. In Western medicine, what is known as qi in Eastern philosophy is considered to be natural chemical processes in the body, with anomalies being addressed with medications. Qi is said to flow along paths known as meridians in Eastern medicine. Disruptions in this flow cause illness in the body or mind. When the flow is restored, the health returns to normal. What about the safety and adverse effects of acupuncture? Because depression can be induced by an imbalance or blockage in one or more of the body's organ systems and meridian pathways, acupuncture has an influence on traditional medicine. If the qi is obstructed or the amount of qi is insufficient to appropriately fuel the organs, this can result in illness, and emotional problems. Acupuncture improves naturally and without the need of drugs, withdrawal symptoms, or addictions. Acupuncture is a relatively risk-free therapy. We use sterile, disposable needles that have been sealed by the manufacturer and are only opened before use. Acupuncture produces few, if any, negative side effects, such as minor bleeding, pain, or bruising at the acupuncture site. The negative effects of acupuncture are incredibly minimal and often smaller than conventional therapies, according to the National Institute of Health. They also mentioned, acupuncture poses little risk when conducted by a professional, certified acupuncturist using sterile needles. The most frequent adverse effects include pain and minor bleeding or bruising at the site of needle insertion. Disposable needles have become the industry standard, lowering the risk of infection. Acupuncture, on the other hand, is not appropriate for everyone. If you experience any of the symptoms listed below, you may be at risk of developing problems. Smoking draws you into a vortex from which you cannot escape. As a result, there isn't just one strategy to help a smoker quit smoking. There are various methods available to assist smokers in quitting smoking. Unfortunately, the majority of smoking cessation aids or meals become the cause of the addiction. Acupuncture, on the other hand, has no negative consequences and even some beneficial side effects. Weight loss through ear acupuncture. Acupuncture can aid in weight loss by modulating neuroendocrine function, boosting metabolism, optimizing digestion, lowering inflammation, suppressing hunger, decreasing water retention, and optimizing other physiological systems associated with obesity and weight loss. In a comparable study, 161 obese patients were separated into two groups: those who received true acupuncture and those who received sham treatments. Both groups ate calorie-restricted diets. While both groups lost weight, only those who received genuine acupuncture exhibited improvements in critical inflammatory markers 6 and 12 weeks later. This is our area of specialization. Not only do we have a high success rate, but those that discontinue utilizing our services do so permanently. Weight gain, withdrawal avoidance, and detoxification are all common components of smoking cessation therapy. All subsequent treatments are free for 30 days following the initial treatment. Acupuncture is a pretty successful weight loss therapy that requires supervision on two fronts. Acupuncture can help you a. Eat more healthy meals and b. Eat less. What makes acupuncture effective? Acupuncture is a traditional Chinese medicine-based medicinal therapy. TCM is a medical system that has been practiced for thousands of years throughout Asia. Acupuncture stimulates acupoints on the skin's surface. Acupuncturists stimulate acupoints by inserting small needles through the skin to elicit physiological responses. Acupuncture points are created using other methods, such as heat or finger pressure. Acupuncture is based on the idea that optimal physiological function and health are reliant on the movement of minerals, chemicals, and energy known as qi, pronounced qi, along a network of channels or meridians. This article reviews the known research on the use of acupuncture to treat pain in cancer patients. It contains an explanation of how acupuncture is thought to work and what the intervention entails, statistics on acupuncture's use in treating pain caused by cancer or cancer treatment, Information on how acupuncture is practiced in our medical system, a discussion of safety concerns, and practical suggestions for incorporating acupuncture into